Hey folks, this is Hans the Ramen Rater with you once again for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, where I show you what to do with your noodles. Because that's what I do, because I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties. Today we're starting to meet the manufacturer. Oh, wait a second, I think this might be the second one. Regardless, we're doing a meet the manufacturer, how about that? And this is... or rather, these are, hey, fantastic noodles. I like the packaging. It's very slick. Nice stuff. And you can get they're from Taiwan, but you can get them in the States now. They have a website. Cool stuff. And yeah, so here... you get 4 packs in a bag, and this is what you get. Oh boy, where are my scissors? Oh, they're right in front of me, I'm sure of it. No, not right in front of me. No, they're in the sink. Today is a kind of insane day for me and my family, so I will let you in on that momentarily. I think the next 4 or 5 days are going to be rather like, Anyways, first thing we do is we cook the noodle block for 3 to 3.5 minutes. And this delicate thing of beauty is the noodle block. These aren't fried noodles. These aren't noodles that you can just like go like that. No. Drop the noodles in there. And I'm going to do the 3.5 because I like my noodles. 1, 2, 3. Nope. That's good. I like my noodles noodled, I guess. So we have 3.5 minutes to chat, and right now I'm going to tell you why it's a crazy day. Well, tomorrow should be actually slightly crazier, but not too much crazier. And all you parents out there probably can understand, or like, oh yeah, you'll get over that real quick. Ah! Do not overboil. Yes, it overboiled. There we go. So, today is my son's first day in preschool. And we're really proud of him. My wife actually took him for his first day. Didn't take the bus in the morning or the afternoon, but he is taking the bus back. So we kind of did a dry run. I had my wife meet me where the bus would show up. So got him all ready, walked him over there. We chilled there for a few minutes. He stayed close to me, so that's good. And she showed up and took him to school, and yeah, all went well. Found his locker. He gave her a hug. The lady asked him if he was excited. He said excited. And yeah, so no incident of like, don't go, don't leave me here. None of that, which is cool. On the other hand, when I was a kid, see, I'm waiting for the karma come back on me, because when I was a kid, I was absolutely horrible when it came to getting on the bus for my mom. Mom, I'm so sorry. I just did not want to get on that bus. And sometimes it was just like, yeah, I'm sure she just wanted to like totally backhand me, but you know, whatever. Water under the bridge, hopefully. Hopefully she doesn't harbor like anger towards me because of that. By the way, these are scallion noodles. I'm like so worried about talking about what's going on with me today. These are scallion noodles from Taiwan. They're sun-dried. That's why you can't chew them up like fried noodles. Not like potato chips, you know. They're sun-dried. So, anyway. Yeah, scallion flavor, sun-dried. You have a large sachet. You have the noodle block. And then you have this little sachet. And when I did the shots of one of these this morning, it just emitted the garlic scent of insanity. Oh wow, it was intense. So hopefully this will be some pretty good stuff. Anyways, so yeah, I was really bad about it, so hopefully Miles will be really good about it. He seems to handle things a lot better than I did when I was a kid, so yeah. So yeah, we're really proud, but really like anxious, you know. Anxious parent thing. But yeah, it'll be fine. It will. It's gonna be fine. But it's kind of interesting too, because now I'm here. I fed Mimi lunch. She's taking a nap. And it's like I'm kidless. It's very, very, very odd. Alright, so we drain the noodles. I'm just throwing them back in the pot here. And I'm probably about to burn my finger. Yeah, that hurt. And then we take these this large sachet and this small sachet. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that for you. Look in. That's pretty good. So, I'm going to take this one. That's a lot of liquid. Smells good. And let's give that a stir. There's my initial fork. I like to tip things to the side when I stir, because you can see there's that much liquid. That makes it a lot easier, because then all the excess liquid runs down, and then when I stir, it lifts it back up. See? Ah! Probably stirring things, remedial stirring, I don't know. Not even 101, probably like 89. Stirring class 89 at the heavy duty food school, the Cordon Bleu School of Stirring. I'm sure there's like hardcore classes in how to do anything with food, like stirring. When you stir, do it this way. The stuff I've always been interested in is definitely process stuff, like how to make a roux or how to make meringue. Because I was thinking it'd be kind of neat to make different kinds of meringues for different things, like make me meringue with a prawn meringue or a fiery chili meringue or something like that with them peaks, you know. I don't know, it'd be kind of interesting, or it just totally wouldn't work. But then again, who's eating it that way, really? I mean, I think the most outlandish thing I really like to do is to make grilled cheese out of anything and everything. I make grilled cheese out of this if I really wanted to, because that's my pleasure. Well, this is interesting. It's very dark. Usually these things are a little more stark. So I'm very curious. Let's give it a try. Okay. Definitely has that scallion-y thing going on. And I think what I'm gonna do today... no, I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna straight garnish these. That's what I like to call it. So... you guys aren't gonna play nice with me today. Come on, come on. Ah, there we go. Okay. So for this, obviously, it's a scallion one. So I definitely want to use scallions with it. So here's some scallions. Off of these crazy, crazy scallions from the store. My wife grabbed them yesterday, and I was like, don't get them at 99 Ranch. Get the ones at Fred Meyer. Big mistake. I don't know. It seemed like last time the ones from 99 Ranch just didn't last as long. Boy, I would trade that for what ended up being the ones that were available at Fred Meyer. They were like proudly made in the USA and proudly like wrapped in metal and all this stuff, and you know, metal twisties, and just came out. They're all mushy. They're all funky. Anyways, so there. I mean, that's a nice little bowl of Taiwanese guanmiao. It sounds good to me. I feel like it's got to get some color. This is ridiculous. So I am going to add. Yeah, let's just add a little bit of pepper flake, because you can't go wrong with a pinch of the pepper. So there's some. Just a touch of color, just a splash, just a nudge. So, there you are. Look at that, yeah. Alright, now you can look at me. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, hopefully you will like one of these, perhaps. And if you like them, subscribe to them, click the notification bell. You'll be notified every time that there's a new video that comes out, and that's every day, sometimes 2 a day, sometimes three a day. So yeah, all right, well, hey, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.